Hello, I'm Mark LaFernie, and today, although I'm wearing a shirt with pineapples on it, I'm going to be showing you how to make a table that looks like a lime. And I'm using this napkin as my inspiration. It is day 2 of Operation Lime Table. I ended up giving the wood round a second coat of the green paint on the top and the sides. Not so much concerned about the underside. There's a couple ways you can go about doing this table. You can be a perfectionist and maybe use tape and line everything up, but I think I want this to have more of an artistic feel. So I'm just gonna go for it, but I'll give you steps along the way. For the base of this table, I had planned on using a round tomato cage. However, since a lot of people seem to be gardening in 2020, I wasn't able to find one. So I did find this square version. So what I'm going to do is turn it into a triangular shape. I'm going to remove this piece over here. And then I'm going to use wire cutters to snip off some of these to lower the height of it. And then I'm going to attach the tabletop to the tomato cage. Cutters definitely work, but they require a lot of muscle. If you're comfortable using a jigsaw, go that route. That's what I ended up doing. I ended up using the jigsaw with a metal attachment.